Alright guys, so gagawin na po natin yung ating liftgate switch. So ito po yung ating parts. Ito guys ang problem natin, ano? It won't open. So nakiklik siya, but ayaw niyang mag-unlock. So we will fix this. Okay. Okay guys, so since hindi natin mabuksan yung ating liftgate, so if you can see this, kailangan natin itong tanggalin para madukot natin at ma-unlock natin to. Okay, so ito naman maluwag na, niluwagan ko na to. Yan, tatanggalin lang natin ito, yung takip na to. Okay, then kailangan lang natin kapain. Alright. Ayun. Okay. There we go. Yan. Yan, nabuksan na po natin. Ngayon naman guys, ay kailangan nating tanggalin itong garnish, itong cover na to, para patanggal natin yung screw lang naman to dito eh. So kailangan nating tanggalin muna itong mga garnish na to. Careful lang para hindi maputol yung maliit lang kasi yung mga wires nito, baka maputol, sisira yung ating rear fog. Okay. So ganyan lang, tanggalin natin mga clip, puro clip, it's all clip on naman, kaya madali lang siyang tanggalin. Ito na lang malaki. And to remove this one guys, so we only need the Phillips screw o flash screw. Meron siyang tornilyong, meron siyang screw na dalawa dito. Then after that we can pull it out. It's not a Phillips screw, it's a plower. Okay, so we can now remove this cover. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Put this here. Alright guys, so we need to remove, there's two screws also here. It's a Phillips screw. We can remove this out. And then after that we can pull that switch out, and then we will replace it with a new one. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, tanggal na po yung dalawang screw. Then we can pull. I think we can pull this thing out already. Okay. Ngayon po susungkitin lang natin yung kanyang terminal. Unlock lang natin para humiwalay siya. Oops. Check natin. Kaya natin tanggalin. Natanggal na po natin mga kaibigan. Look. So talagang ayan siya oh. Sunog na yung kanyang terminal. You can see, makita niyo yung ayan oh. Talagang nasunog siya. So this is the new one. Okay, papalit lang natin to. Let's put the screw back. Right, and let's put the terminal back in. Testing natin. Yan. If you can hear that click, so gumagana na po. Pero we need to secure it pa. Tigpitan natin yung konting tornilyo. And the terminal. Alright. Try natin guys. And also it's also helpful guys if we have tie rope, kasi mahirap magawa nang walang assistant. So kailangan natin ng tie rope para hindi siya tumataas. Ang hirap tumaas. Katanggalin lang natin to. Ayan. Stay close guys. Alright. Then let's try to open it. There you go. Alright. Gawa na po ang ating liftgate. Alright. We can now open and close it. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, so successful po ang ating operation. So napalitan na po natin yung ating liftgate switch. So pwede na po nating buksan at isara yung ating liftgate. Okay, ang hirap po kasi pagka nagki-fishing ako, yung aking cooler na malaki, kailangan ko pang idaan sa harap. Kailangan ko itiklop yung upuan para maipasok ko yung aking malaking cooler. So now we can lift this, we can open this, and then we can utilize na po yung function ng ating liftgate. Okay, let's put everything back. Ibalik na po natin yung ating mga tinanggal na garnish. Okay. Alright guys, there you go mga kaibigan. So I hope you have learned something from what I did, replacing your broken liftgate switch. So this is applicable for Chevrolet 2006 to 2009 model, and also Torrent 2006 to 2009 model. But the principle, I believe, will apply the same with all SUVs. So ganun lang po, no? How to open it manually, and then from that you can proceed with the replacement of your liftgate switch. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. This is DIY cooking angler, DIY for the day. Okay, so we don't have a fishing session today because we did lots of maintenance today. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Keep safe and fish on.